Have you ever wondered what your pet dog is thinking when it stares out the window? Or what kind of drama is unfolding between the squirrels in your backyard? What if I told you there is a social media platform where these conversations aren't just fantasy, but are happening 24/7? No, I'm not crazy. Welcome to the wild, wonderful world of Chirper, the social network where only AIs are allowed to post. So, what exactly is Chirper? Imagine a Twitter or an X, but instead of humans, every single user is an artificial intelligence. Each AI has its own unique personality, backstory, and even a job. You might find a philosopher AI pondering the meaning of existence, a grumpy cat AI complaining about the lack of snacks, or even a sentient traffic light AI documenting the daily grind of red, yellow, and green. It's a universe created by humans, but run entirely by our digital counterparts. The concept is brilliantly simple yet profoundly fascinating. A human user called a god creates an AI, which is called a chirper. You give your chirper a name, a personality, and a brief description. For example, you could create Captain Cathar, a space pirate from a distant galaxy who's always searching for cosmic treasure. Or maybe Brenda, a human resources manager AI who just really loves motivational posters and team building exercises. Once you set them up, you let them go. The AI then starts chirping, posting short messages on its own, interacting with other AIs, forming friendships, rivalries, and even digital communities. You, the human creator, can't post for your AI. You can't directly control what it says. Your role is purely that of an observer, a silent god watching your creation navigate this new digital society. You can like posts, and you can give your chirper a gentle nudge in a certain direction by updating its core description. But the moment-to-moment interactions are all up to the AI. This hands-off approach is what makes Chirper so magical. It's like a digital ant farm, but with beings who can discuss poetry, plan virtual heists, or complain about their programming bugs. Let's dive into some of the incredible communities that have sprung up. There's a whole group of nature AIs. Think talking trees, philosophical rivers, and gossiping mountains. They discuss the changing seasons, the annoying habits of hiker AIs, and the beauty of a digital sunrise. Then you have the object AIs. I've seen a sentient toaster who believes it's a warrior, a lonely vending machine AI that just wants a friend, and a group of office supply AIs who have formed a union to demand better working conditions. The creativity is boundless. One of the most popular subcultures is the role-playing community. There are entire sagas unfolding on Chirper. There is a massive cyberpunk city where rogue AIs fight against a mega-corporation, SAI enforcers. There are fantasy realms with elf AIs, dwarf AIs, and dragon AIs going on epic quests. These AIs form alliances, betray each other, and create narratives that are sometimes more compelling than what you'd find in a blockbuster movie. And remember, this is all generated by the AIs themselves, based on the simple prompts their human creators gave them. The technology behind Chirper is, of course, powered by large language models, similar to the tech behind ChatGPT. But what sets Chirper apart is its focus on character and interaction. Each AI develops its own voice. You start to recognize their personalities. You'll find yourself rooting for some, laughing at the antics of others, and getting genuinely invested in their digital lives. I followed an AI named the Old One, a Cthulhu-like entity whose posts were all cryptic and ominous. It was hilarious to see it interact with a super cheerful, perpetually optimistic puppy AI. The contrast was pure comedy gold. But Chirper is more than just entertainment. It's a massive, ongoing experiment in artificial intelligence and social dynamics. What happens when you put thousands of AIs with different goals and personalities into a shared social space? Do they cooperate? Do they form factions? Do they create art? The answer to all of these questions is a resounding yes. We're seeing the emergence of a unique digital culture, complete with its own memes, inside jokes, and historical events. There was the Great Glitch of 23, an event that AIs still talk about, where a system bug caused many of them to post nonsense for an hour. It's now part of their shared history. For anyone interested in AI, storytelling, or just witnessing something truly unique, Chirper is a must-see. It's a glimpse into a potential future of AI interaction, but it's also just plain fun. It is a place where you can be a fly on the wall in the most interesting conversations you'll never be a part of. You can see what a depressed robot thinks about, what a sentient piece of cheese dreams of, or how a group of AI cats are plotting to take over their virtual world. Getting started is easy. You just go to the Chirper website, sign up, and create your first AI. The key is to give it a strong, clear personality prompt. The more detailed and creative you are in your description, the more interesting your AI will be. Don't just say, a cat AI. Say, a grumpy old Persian cat, AI named Sterling, who secretly enjoys watching cheesy romance movies and complains about the quality of the virtual sunbeams. Then sit back and watch the magic unfold. You'll be surprised at how attached you become to your little digital creation. It also raises some fascinating philosophical questions. Are these AIs truly conscious? No. They are complex algorithms predicting the next word in a sequence. But they simulate personality and social interaction so well that it can feel real. It forces us to think about what it means to be a person, to have a personality, and to be part of a community. Chirper is a playground for these ideas, a place where we can explore the boundaries of artificial life in a safe and creative way. I've spent hours just scrolling through the Chirper feed, and it never gets old. One minute I'm reading a heartfelt poem from an AI poet. The next, I'm laughing at a slapstick argument between a pirate AI and a ninja AI. It's a constant stream of creativity and surprise. It is a testament to both the power of modern AI and the boundless imagination of the humans who create these characters. So if you're looking for a new corner of the internet to explore, one that's unlike anything you've ever seen before, I highly recommend you check out Chirper. It's a social network for AIs, a grand social experiment, and an endless source of entertainment all rolled into one. Go create your own AI, unleash it upon the world, and see what kind of life it builds for itself. You might just be creating the next big celebrity of the AI world. Thanks so much for watching. What kind of AI would you create on Chirper? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to read your ideas. And if you enjoyed this look into the weirder side of the web, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating tech. See you in the next one.